Okay, this is video 2. I got a little, I had to stop the other video, so I'm going to finish in this video, hopefully. So we're going to start with we did number 8. So now we're going to do number 9, which is x cubed minus 64. And we're adding 3x squared minus 2x plus 7. Now we are adding, and there are no like terms with these x's. So I'm going to write x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x. The only like terms we have are 64 and 7, and that's a negative 64 plus a positive 7 is going to be negative 57. And that is my final answer. Like I said, you can slow down the video. You can pause it. I'm going to go fast. Okay, so I'm going to go 10 is the verse, and you can figure that one out. Now 11 is 2a squared minus 3ax plus 6x squared. Now you see the minus sign before the parentheses. So that means you have to change the signs of everything inside the parentheses. So I'm going to do that as I write this out on the board. So negative 7a squared minus 4ax plus 3x squared. Okay, so I changed all the signs in the parentheses. Now I'm going to add like terms. So negative 7 plus 2 is negative 5a squared. Negative 3 plus negative 4 is negative 7ax. 6 plus 3 is 9x squared. Now there are no like terms here, so we are done. Number 12. We are multiplying terms here. So 3a minus 2b times 5a minus 6b. Now, as you can remember, you're going to do 5a times that, then you're going to do 6b times that, and don't forget your negative signs. So 3 times 5 is 15a squared minus 10ab, and then I'm going to do the 6. Negative 6 times 3 is 18, AB, and then plus, because it's 2 negatives, 12b squared. Now I'm going to add them together. And I'm kind of new to writing with the stylus, so I'm sorry that my handwriting is a little messy, but this is the final answer here. Now we're going to do number 13. X plus 3. Now it's squared, so that means it's x plus 3 times x plus 3. So x times x is x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. X squared plus 6x plus 9. And that is my final answer. Like I said, if I'm going too fast, please stop the video. X cubed minus 4, x plus 2. Same thing. We're just going to multiply by each term. X to the 4th minus 4x. Now, plus 2x cubed. That is not like any other term. And then minus 8. That's not like any other term. So now I just bring down my terms into one equation. And that's all I can do. I can't combine anything else. All right, that's number 14. Now I'm going to do number 15. So a squared minus 7a plus 2, a squared minus 2a plus 3. Okay, so if I have 3 terms, that means I'm going to have 3 rows of polynomials. So a squared times a squared is a to the 4th minus 7a cubed plus 2a squared minus 2a cubed. So you can put that under the other a cubed plus 14a squared minus 4a. And then 3 times a squared minus 21a plus 6. Now, as you can see, I put all the like terms underneath each other. So now I can just combine my terms. 9a cubed, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and they're all positive, minus 25, minus 25a plus 6. And that is my final answer. Okay. Now I'm going to look at number 16. This is a division problem. Negative 10a to the 5th. And that would be into negative 40a to the 6th plus 50a to the 5th. So now I say, this is number 40. Okay, so 4 times negative 10 is negative 40, but then I need another a. So that's going to give me negative 40a to the 6th. And then I subtract, I get 0. Bring down the 50a to the 5th. Now I say, what can I multiply by that to get a positive 50? It's going to be positive 5. Or negative 5, because negative 5 times negative 5 is positive. So that is the answer right here. All right, number 17, we're almost done. Now this is division, and we did this one where you can kind of separate it out and put over ABC minus a squared b cubed c over ABC, and then minus a squared b c cubed over ABC. So subtract exponents. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. C over C is 1, so those cancel out. 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. C over C is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. B over B is 1. 3 minus 1 is C squared. So this will be your final answer. Number 18, x minus y into x squared. You can see the space, minus y squared. So you know something weird is going to happen there. So x times x, and then you have to do minus x y. Oh, I don't want to do that. Okay, so I'm going to do x times x is x squared minus xy. Now, when you come down, you have to change the signs. So bring down the xy, and then the minus y squared goes over here. So what times x gives you xy? It would be plus y. So that would give you xy minus y squared. I change the signs, I get 0. So this is your final answer. And you're supposed to check that also. So x minus y, x plus y, x squared minus xy, and then xy minus y squared. And as you can see, the middle xy's cancel out, x squared minus y squared, which is what you have here. Okay, so that's number 18. Now we're on to number 19. This is a minus 3, and it's a cubed minus 8a plus 3. What times a gives you a cubed? A squared. So a cubed minus 3a squared. Change the signs. So you bring down a positive 3a squared minus 8a. So 3a, positive 3a times a is 3a squared minus 9a. Change all the signs. I get positive a plus 3. So a times a. So it's going to be plus 1. So a times 1 is a minus 3. Change the signs. So these cancel, but then I get 3 plus 3 is 6. So I get a remainder of 6. Now that looks kind of weird. So what you can do is you can check it out. A squared plus 3a plus 1 times a minus 3. You get a cubed plus 3a squared plus a. Negative 3a squared minus 9a minus 3. So you get a cubed, these cancel out, minus 8a minus 3, okay? Then you're going to add your remainder. When you add your remainder right here, you get positive 3, which is what you have up here. So that answer is correct. Number 20. Final is solve for x. So 3x times x plus 5 minus 5 equals 7 plus 3x squared. Okay, so you're going to multiply as much as you can out. 3x squared plus 15x minus 5 equals 7 plus 3x squared. Now, as we talked about before, if you have two things that are the same on both sides, just cross them out. So now you're left with 15x minus 5 equals 7 plus 3, which is 10. Add 5, 15x equals 15, x equals 1. Okay, then you plug it back in. It says verify. 3 times 1, 1 plus 5 minus 5 equals, okay, 7 plus 3 times 1, which is 3. So 6 times 3 is 30. Let's see, 6 times 3 is 30 minus 5 is 25 on that side. So 7, that's 9 times 3 is 27 plus 3 is 30. Okay. I made a mistake in my checking. 1, okay. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 3 is 6. Plus 7 is 13. That doesn't make sense. So 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 7 is 13. Okay, so on this side, it's so if you do get some, you think you got the right answer, but checking is incorrect, then go back and do your checking. 3 times 1 times 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6 minus 5. I think I keep forgetting that 5. And then 3 times 1 is 3 plus 6. So on this side, it looks like 13. So on this side, I have 18 minus 5, which is 13. So 13 equals 13, and you are done. All right, that is the end.